Hello students, today we will do NCERT Maths Lesson 10 Play with Patterns. Now what are patterns? Patterns का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? हम एक रूल फॉलो करके हम एक डिज़ाइन बनाते हैं या कोई सीरीज़ लिखते हैं, उसको हम पैटर्न बोलेंगे. हम एक ही रूल फॉलो करेंगे विदाउट ब्रेकिंग दैट रूल वी मेक पैटर्न्स. वैसा डिज़ाइंस में भी होता है. जैसे आपने अपने साड़ी देखी होगी मम्मी की या बेडशीट्स देखी होगी, एक ही टाइप की डिज़ाइन वो लोग बनाते हैं. सो लेट अस लर्न अबाउट दैट. नाउ पैटर्न्स अराउंड अस. In everyday life, we see many patterns. For example, we see barbed wires. Barbed wires आप वहाँ पे पिक्चर देखा है, जैसे फेंसिंग में होता है ना, कंपाउंड वॉल है या कोई फील्ड है तो उसमें ऐसी फेंसिंग होती है, बार्ब्ड वायर बोलेंगे हम उसे. फिर ग्रिल्स ऑफ अ विंडो, ग्रिल्स आपकी जाली लगी हुई होती है ना विंडोज़ में, डोर्स में, वो भी एक पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. देन स्नेक, स्नेक के ऊपर जो डिज़ाइन है वो भी एक पैटर्न है. ठीक है. नाउ लुक अराउंड यू एंड लिस्ट 3 थिंग्स इन विच यू फाइंड सम पैटर्न. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 3 थिंग्स इन विच यू फाइंड पैटर्न्स. नाउ पैटर्न्स तो हम बहुत जगह देखते हैं, जैसे कर्टन्स पे होते हैं, फिर ड्रेसेस पे होते हैं, बेडशीट्स पे होते हैं. ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ सम पैटर्न्स विच यू हैव फाउंड अराउंड yourself. Next. Hello, I am Pallavi. I live in Jaipur. My city is known for clothes with block prints. Have a look at some of the block print designs made by my mother. Now, this girl is speaking about herself. Now, her name is Pallavi. एंड शी लिव्स इन जयपुर. वो जयपुर में रहती है. एंड जयपुर इज़ नोन फॉर ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स. आपको पता है जयपुर की ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स फेमस है. मैंने एक पिक्चर में आपको बताया ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स कैसे करते हैं. ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स मीन्स वुडन के ब्लॉक्स रहते हैं, पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हो, उस पर डिज़ाइन रहती है और वो ऐसे डिज़ाइंस बनाते हैं. उसको घुमा कर भी अपसाइड डाउन करके उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज करते. दे मेक डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स. Okay, and she is telling that this pattern is made by her mother. Now इस डिज़ाइन में आप देखो एक ही ब्लॉक को अपसाइड डाउन करके she has made a pattern, right? Now she makes these designs by using blocks again and again. One day I got hold of the blocks and made a beautiful design. So she also tried making designs. Now same block upside down she had made this pattern. Now you will see that these designs have been made by using the same block in different ways. Now can you see a pattern in the way each block is repeated? कैसे repeat किया है? upside down किया है. ठीक है. Now pictures in a pattern. I have made some patterns of pictures. I have used a rule for each pattern. Now this girl is telling she has made picture patterns. एक पैटर्न बनाई है लेकिन वो पिक्चर्स की है. And she has followed a rule. उसने एक रूल भी फॉलो किया है. Now children, see the rule there. What rule she has followed? The rule for this pattern is one girl after every 2 boys. So she has started with 2 boys. उसके बाद 1 girl, again 2 boys, 1 girl, 2 boys, again 1 girl will come, right? Now next, in this pattern there is 1 arrow up and 1 arrow down. And this pattern is repeated. So आप देख सकते हो कि एक एरो ऊपर की तरफ डायरेक्ट करता है, दूसरा एरो नीचे की तरफ करता है. So 1 arrow upwards and 1 arrow downwards. Right? Now, practice time for you. Now given below are some patterns. Figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern. Now this exercise you have to do. यहाँ पे कुछ pattern follow किया हुआ है and you have to continue the pattern. Now first one, blue pot, red pot, blue pot, red pot. So you have to follow दिस रूल. सो रेड पॉट के बाद फिर क्या आएगा? ब्लू पॉट आएगा, फिर रेड पॉट आएगा, फिर ब्लू पॉट आएगा. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. देन नेक्स्ट 2 times A, 1 time B. 2 times A, 1 time B. So again 2 times A and 1 time B. Next. Now in first picture we have one petal. Petal means फूल की पत्ती होती है, उसको हम petal बोलेंगे. So in first picture we have one petal, second one 3, third one 5. So 1 petal, 3 petal, 5 petal. Again 1 petal, 3 petals, 5 petals. So you continue with this. Again 1 petal, 3 petals and 5 petals. So you draw those. Then next, एक square है, उसमें he has made 4 triangles, right? And one triangle he has colored blue. एक triangle को उसने blue color किया है, और वो blue triangle is moving anti-clockwise. Clockwise means जैसे हमारी घड़ी का कांटा घूमता है ना, उसको हम clockwise बोलेंगे. अगर वो उल्टा घूमेगा तो हम उसको anti-clockwise बोलेंगे, right? So ये blue triangle वो anti-clockwise move कर रहा है. So see, second picture, that blue triangle is facing to the left side, then downwards, then right side, right? So in that way you make the other pictures. Then next one, this you do yourself. It is very easy, right? Now then morning, afternoon, evening, night. Then morning, afternoon, evening, night. Like this you can continue. Now growing patterns. Growing patterns क्या है? Now this girl has made a new pattern. Now look at this. If we, that first arrow, one arrow है, it is facing downwards, right? And again one arrow is facing upwards. Next 2 arrows are facing downwards and 2 arrows are facing upwards. Then again increased. 3 arrows are facing downwards and 3 arrows are facing upwards. So now can you tell me the other pictures? How will be the arrows? Next comes 4 arrows आएंगे. पहले 4 arrows will face downwards, then 4 arrows will face upwards, then 5 arrows will face downwards, then 5 arrows will face upwards, right? Now here, as the number of arrows is increasing, we say it is a growing pattern. वो growing pattern भी है, increase हो रहा है number of arrows, and it is following a rule. So these are called growing patterns. Next, try these also. Now one exercise is given for you. You have to find out the rule and you have to fill up the pattern. Okay, now my own patterns. Here is your space to make your own patterns. Now you make your own patterns. अपने मन से आप बना सकते हो patterns, ठीक है? Then number patterns. Now we have made some patterns with pictures. We can make patterns with numbers too. Now students, we have seen the picture patterns, ठीक है? Now in the same way we can make number patterns also, like 21, 41, 61, 81, 101, and then next, you know the next number, don't you? Now what will be the next number? Now see the pattern 21. He has added 20 plus 20 किया है उसने, तो you will get 41. 41 again plus 20 करोगे तो 61. So again plus 20 you will get 81. Again plus 20 you will get 101. Again plus 20 you will get 121. So this is a growing pattern. It can go on and on. So you can go on adding 20 and make a series or pattern, right? Now look for the rules and continue these growing patterns. Now you have to fill up these blanks. 51, 56, 61, 66. So next will be 71, 76, 81, 86 and so on. So in this pattern उसने +5 किया है. 51 + 5 is 56, 56 + 5 is 61 and so on. Next 7 dash 21, 28, 35, that is a table of 7. In other words, +7 किया है तो you can write 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56 and so on. Next 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now find out the rule. What has he done? He has multiplied the number with 2. So first he has written 2. Then multiply it with 2. 2 2s are 4. Again multiply with 2, you will get 8. Again multiply with 2, you will get 16. Again 16 multiplied with 2, you will get 32. Again multiply 32 with 2, you will get 64. 64 multiplied with 2, you will get 128. Again multiply with 2, you will get 256. Next, 12a, 13b, 14c. Now he has mixed numbers and alphabets. So numbers को हम पहले देखते हैं. 12, 13, 14. So they are going continuously. So you can write 15 and 16. Now alphabets A, B, C, D and E. So next number will be 15D, 16E. Now look at these growing patterns. Find out what to add to each number to get the next one. Now let us do 1, 3, 6, 8. So what has he done? 1 को उसने 2 ऐड किया है, उसके बाद 3 ऐड किया, उसके बाद 4 ऐड किया है. So go on adding natural numbers. You will get the series. Next 0, 2, 6, 12. So what has he done? First he has added 2, then 4, then 6. So he has added even numbers. So go on adding even numbers. You will get the series. Next 1, 3, 7, 13. So what has he done? He has added 2, 4, 6. So again he has added even numbers. So go on adding and fill up the blanks. Last one 2, 3, 6, 11, 18. Now here what he has done? He has added 1, then he has added 3, then he has added 5, then 7. So he has added odd numbers. So go on adding and fill in the blanks. Now secret messages. Amrita and Paritosh are writing secret messages. Now children, here 2 students, they are writing some secret messages. Secret messages बनाए हैं उन्होंने. कैसे बनाए हैं? You can see where are you. उसने क्या किया है? हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट के बीच में 3 डाल दिया है. So you have to remove 3 and then you have to read the secret message. So what is he answering? In the canteen. Okay. Now can you tell what they are trying to say? So we have already told. These are 2 secret messages. Look for the patterns and find the hidden sentences. Now here also you have to find the secret messages. Now first one. What has he done? He has written. Now in this message he has started writing numbers. 1 लिखा है, उसके बाद I लिखा है, उसके बाद 2 लिखा है, उसके बाद L लिखा है. इस तरह से उसने natural numbers लिखे हैं. So if you cancel those natural numbers, you will get the message. So what is the message there? I love you. Next. Now here He has written alphabet. So go on cancelling the alphabets. A कट करना है, B कट करना है, C कट करना है, D कट करना है. So what is the first word? This. So in the same way, start cancelling the alphabets. You will get the message, this book is fun. Now you can also make your own secret messages. So children, make your secret messages by adding alphabets, numbers. You can add odd numbers, even numbers, okay? And make your own secret messages. Next, even and odd number patterns. Now, half these numbers are in yellow. Now, some numbers are written there. Half of them are in yellow and half of them are in blue. Now, what patterns do you see in these numbers? Now, in yellow, what pattern do you see? कौन सा pattern देख रहे हो? Continue the same pattern and fill in the blanks. Now, he has given you 96, 98. So, next number will be, he has added 2. So, next number will be 100. Again add 2, you will get 102. So, go on adding 2, you will get the series. How far can you continue this pattern? Now, natural numbers are infinite. We can go on continuously we can write them. There is no end. These numbers have a special name. They are called even numbers. Now, these numbers are called even numbers. Now, do even numbers end with 3 or 5? No. Children, so what do even numbers end with? Now, children, you all know even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So, if we have these numbers in one's place, we can say they are even numbers. Now, look at the pattern of numbers in blue. Continue the pattern and fill in the blanks. Now, again, one more pattern is given, 99, 101, 103, then 105, 107, 109, 111. So, what do the numbers in blue end with? They are ending in with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, these numbers are called odd numbers. Odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Now, write all odd numbers between 400 and 410. So, you have to write all the numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And write all even numbers between 155 and 165. So, you have to write all the numbers between 155 and 165 that end with 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. Okay. If we add 1 to any odd number, we get an even number. So, odd number को 1 add करेंगे तो हमें कौन सा number मिलेगा? Even number. And if we add 1 to any even number, we get an odd number. Now, what do you get if you add an even number to an odd number? अगर एक even number को odd number से add करोगे तो कौन सा number आएगा? Odd number आएगा. Now, names in an order. Adil has to arrange this list so that the names starting with A come first and then come those with B, C, D and so on. Now, आदिल को ये नेम्स अरेंज करने हैं. ए से स्टार्ट करना है, अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में उनको अरेंज करना है. Now, number these names in the order in which they will come. So, you have to give them order. So, ए से स्टार्ट करना है और आपको पूरे नंबर्स अरेंज करने हैं. सो नाउ फर्स्ट विल बी आदिल. इट इज स्टार्टिंग विद ए. उसके बाद कौन सा आएगा? उसके बाद आएगा बालचंग. देन कम्स एल्विस. सो इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर, जैसे ABCD लाइन से आते हैं, आपको नंबर लगाने हैं. देन Jalaj is proud to have a special name. He says, if you read it backwards, it is still the same. Now Jalaj ने बोला मुझे तो एक स्पेशल नेम है, अगर आप उल्टा भी पढ़ोगे तो भी मेरा नाम जलज ही रहेगा. स्पेलिंग देखो बच्चों, JALAJ, और रिवर्स में हम पढ़ेंगे तो भी JALAJ. बराबर है. Which of the following names have the same pattern? You have to mark. Now जलज की तरह इस कुछ नाम दिए हैं, you have to mark. So Anna and Kanak, if you read them backwards, they are same. So with this we are completing this lesson. Thank you.